Good morning and welcome back to my channel. If you didn't get that reference, that's how I started my last room tour when I was like literally probably about 2 years ago now. I can't believe it was 2 years. Oh la la. Hello. 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 Hi. I have a ridiculous amount of energy this morning, which is great because when I have a ridiculous amount of energy and film videos, they always turn out to be a little bit more interesting for some reason. Today I wanted to do a room tour because if you haven't seen my recent video, I did a little room transformation thing to just make my room feel more me. And now I've got to the point where I'm like, well, I didn't give you a proper room tour. And I said, do you want one? And someone said, yeah. So I was like, okay. Also, do you want to see my outfit? So I've got little pigtails today because I was like, kind of felt like pigtails, you know, as you do. I've got colourful jewellery on. I've got this top on with a white one underneath because it's literally see-through, and if I didn't wear it, I would just be, we don't even need to go there. And I've got these velvet trousers on and purple trainers because decided I love purple. I love to wear purple. Let me know in the comments what colour is your bedroom wall. I'd love to know what colour is your bedroom wall. Mine's navy and the others are white. So as we enter my room, we have my door. On my door I have this little thing that my friend gave me a long time ago actually, but I've still got it on there because I just love it. I love it. So we're going to ignore that because that's where I dumped all the stuff that was in here before, so that I had a nice tidy room. Don't believe everything you see on the internet, guys, because this was not what it looked like this morning. So you come over here and I have my desk area. My desk area is one of my favourite parts of my room. The boxes underneath are quite full. This one's full of denim, that one's full of cables, and the other two are like full of notebooks and stuff. I've got paints under there, and I've got this little stool which I'm terrified to sit on. Absolutely terrified to sit on, because last time I sat on it I was filming a video actually and it like clicked down a notch. And have you ever seen those, I mean, maybe you shouldn't have seen those videos, but like I've heard of and unfortunately seen a few of those videos on TikTok where people are sat on a stool and it just goes straight through and it like goes up the bum. No, so terrified to sit on that now, so I now bring a chair in when I'm revising. Don't know why I shared that with you. We have this picture which I made just from a cutting from a magazine. I've got my friend's sofa, which I think goes really nicely with the green and the blues. Got my Vivienne Westwood book, which is literally to die for, and all my Vogues. Actually, I saw some of my Vogues downstairs the other day, so I need to bring them up. I've then got this painting here, which I did at the start of this year as like the vibe for this year. Sorry, my floorboard's really squeaky. I painted it at the start. This is so weird. I painted it at the start of this year because I was like, we need to create a painting for the vibes I want for 2022. So I did that, and I feel like we've kind of done it, kind of incorporated them into my life. Ow, this position really hurt my back. Over here we have my light, which does not like to stand straight, and I'm unsure how to fix it. I've tried multiple ways, but it just doesn't. Got all these lovely sleep mists to like spray when I can't fall asleep, and it should send me to sleep. My retainer, don't need to see that. This candle is disgusting, but it's there. I don't even burn candles. I get really scared to burn candles because I like burnt a streak up my wall once, and I'm terrified that my room's gonna set on fire, so I don't really do that anymore. I never really did in the first place anyway, because my room was always so cluttered that I was like, it's literally going to set on fire. But now it's emptier, I guess I could start. Why do I look so tired? We have my little digital camera in case I want to lie in bed and look at some photos. I have my bed. I have this like green duvet on, which I kind of need a new one because it's gone all bobbly and like disgusting. But we can move past that. And then I've got this blanket, which I bought. This blanket brings back so many memories because it was literally one of the worst things. One of the first things I ever bought with like my own money. These pictures, again, magazine cuttings. I'm obsessed with this section of wall. I could not find my tripod thingy, so we're just balancing you on whatever I can find. But this is like honestly the cutest little corner. How cute is that angle? Kind of like loving that. So this corner I have basically just all my artwork. I'm going to put a picture up on the screen that's on Pinterest, and that's the aim for this wall. I want to like cover it in art and just make it like a really personal, pretty wall that I can throw stuff up on there when I want to add things. And it can just keep adapting and changing and like evolving until I have something really pretty. Well, I already do, what can I say? But I've got pictures that I printed off that I've taken myself. I've got paintings. I've got little memory things. So this is like, this is the Portobello Vintage Market card that they sent me when they sent me a piece of clothing. And I just think that's literally the coolest thing, to be sent something. How, like, blows my mind that someone would even want to do that. So that's up there. I found this little candle that says "Kiss Me" on it, and I was like, that's cute. Throw it up, you know? Throw anything up that I like. Cute, cute, cute. So there's that, which is stunning, if I do say so myself. Here, if you like, I don't know if I actually filmed it, but definitely in TikToks you could see sometimes, this bit was full of junk, like absolutely full. I've now like organised it all under my bed. I've got separate compartments for things. I love that for me. Cannot keep it that way to save my life, but we're getting there. Also, look, it's me. That's really funny. Canvases. I just wanted to throw them all here because it's like artist, the look of an artist, you know, just felt like that. This is Lance. He's a bit stuck. This shelf is I think it's my favourite part of the room, honestly. I'm going to speak about this bit of wall first. I have a pair of headphones just hanging there because I had picture frames there before, but I was like, what do I put there? And I just hung them there one day. I usually hang them up on the next hook. I don't know why they're there. But doesn't that just look cool? Also, this picture frame is entirely empty. Why, you ask me? Honestly, can't give you a valid answer to that. This ice cream, oh, these have rearranged a little bit. This ice cream is, I've had ages and I never really knew where to put it. Well, I did have it up, but I'd never styled a shelf before, and then I styled it with this, and it's just chef's kiss. Mwah. This pot is from a holiday I went with my auntie and she bought it for me. Absolutely love that pot. This is Samuel, my cactus, my friend gave me. Not cactus, succulent. This pot, got it in the charity shop for like 99p. Looked horrendous on its own. Put it up there, bam. What, like, my brain was working very well when I purchased that. And inside it, I've got this candle that I dipped myself at an old Victorian village with my friend. This just smells great. I got it in a birch box, absolutely fantastic. This picture, I got this picture on a school trip for photography, and it's really embarrassing. You see me in the back. I'm just going to shift this way slightly. I got it on a trip to the Tate for photography, and they were like, buy postcards to put in your sketchbooks. I bought a painting. Is that a painting? Genuinely don't know. It could be a film picture, but like I never put it in, and I just use it for my bedroom wall. Then we have this, which is literally just wrapping paper in a frame. The wrapping paper is from Typo. Typo has the cutest, most expensive wrapping paper, but you know, I bought a roll of that and it served me very well. I don't use it for wrapping presents, I use it for pictures and backdrops and things. This was given to me by my friend for my birthday this year, and when I say I love it, there is literally an understatement. I am obsessed with this print. I love Liberty of London, which, if you don't know, it's like a textile company, but it's like really big and it's in London. And this butt plant pot I actually bought for someone's present once, and I kept it myself because I love it. A cheeky little buttocks on the shelf. Love that for me. So yeah, that's my favourite shelf. As we move this direction, we move from the shelf past the window. And I turn, oh, hello. So I've had my disco ball for years and years and years, and I never thought to just put it out. It was always in a box. I was always like, I'll get it out at parties. No, hell no. Every day's a disco. Every day's a party. Get that disco ball out. So that's why we have this here. I'm going to remove that hair that's caught under my jewellery tray because it's disgusting. I have my little jewellery tray of rings. This one's my personal favourite from the tray. My friend gave it to me. Beautiful. Then I have books. Okay, I have some books. We just stacked them up because I was like, I just want to stack of books out. Oh, this, honestly, right, okay, this I'm going to show you. I'm going to have to show you. This is a zine. The only one I've ever bought. I don't ever buy stuff like this, but I saw it and I was like, I actually have to have that. It is the inside of someone's sketchbook in a zine, and I follow them on TikTok. My God, I don't know. I just love their style of drawing so much, and they do animations and things. I will put their on the screen right now. Oh look, there it is. But yeah, that stays up here because I just love it so much. It's curled up a bit because I keep looking at it, so I've just stuck a candle on top to hold it down. But yeah, I made this little guy, a little bit of decoupage, cheeky decoupage. This is just a bottle that I drank from once and kept, and never took the sticky stuff off the side. This is basically, I have an addiction to keeping bottles. I really had to throw a lot away, but I need to wash this out. I literally had it the other day, but how cute is that bottle? But you cannot tell me that I don't need to keep that in my life. And this is a Chanel book I found in one of those, you know, like the free book boxes people have outside their house. I found this one, and honestly, what the hell? It is beautiful. It's like a little pop-out book. I will not be popping them out though. That is the end of my room tour. Ooh, nearly fell over. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm sorry if I was like going through things too fast. I just have like ridiculous amount of energy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I am going to be doing like a little content planning session soon, so I need as many ideas as you can give me in the comments. Would really appreciate that. Also, it's great to know what you guys like watching, and then I can like see what I want to do and we can figure it out together. But yeah, that is the plan. I'll see you in next week's video.